The rope. Early lead is taken by entry number 2, Gela Charm by the rail. Cass McCall running in second on the outside. Detective Darrell on both the Imo Star Emblem. Bringing up the rear is Something Silver. And as they leave the straight, it is still Gela Charm in the lead, followed by Cass McCall in second on the outside. Moving up on the inside, Detective Darrell. And on both the Imo Star Emblem. And still trailing the group is Something Silver. Heading for the backstretch, it is still Gela Charm maintaining a 3.5 lengths lead, followed by Cass McCall in second, and Ambod Saimo running in third by 4.5 lengths, Detective Darrell, and Star Emblem moving up on the outside is Something Silver. Nearing the far turn, Gela Charm by the rail, and Cass McCall now moving up on the outside and grabbing the lead. It is now Cass McCall in the lead by 3 lengths, followed by Gela Charm, Ambod Saimo, and Detective Darrell moving up on the inside, Star Emblem, and Something Silver. But it's still Cass McCall in the lead, lengthening now by 5.5 lengths. Gela Charm, Ambod Saimo moving up on the outside to take second, and in the inside is entry number 1, Detective Darrell. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Cass McCall in the lead, followed by Ambod Saimo, Detective Darrell by the rail in third. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Cass McCall in the lead, followed by Ambod Saimo on the outside. It's Cass McCall by the rail, and Ambod Saimo on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Cass McCall, Ambod Saimo.